Hello. This video is for Mineralocity users seeking to get a better understanding of the bivariate analysis layer. The bivariate analysis layer observes population change by number of people, as well as percent or ratio change from the year 2014 to 2019. In this example, I will be using Houston to explain how the visual is to be interpreted and how it relates to the legend on the right side. So in the region of Houston, you can see that there's not a lot of dramatic change happening, but we see a lot of activity here along the west. As we zoom in, you'll see that these polygons show dramatic change, but the satellite imagery doesn't show really much activity. That's because at the current zoom level, you don't see a more recent satellite imagery taken. When you zoom in, you'll see what has changed over time. As we zoomed in, you can now see that there's a whole bunch of new neighborhoods and developments that are happening within this region. Now, how do we interpret the data? So in this case, let's look at this blue polygon. The blue polygon reflects a dark blue color, which is likely this color here. And that color is derived from the combination of the two variables, the number of people and the percent increase and decrease. Because it is this dark blue, we know that based off the percent increase and decrease, it is at least 100% or more, given the fact it is the fourth color up on the blue scale, and it is likely between 5,000 to 14,999 people increase over that 5-year period, given the fact that it is at least the third color here in the yellow. The combination of the fourth blue color and the third yellow color is what makes it that dark blue. And that can be basically analyzed down here based off of the simple legend that we've given. Because it's dark blue, we know it's at least 100% or more in increase over that 5-year period, and it is between 5,000 and that 14,999 amount of people that have moved in over that 5-year period. Hence why this particular polygon is blue. This one in yellow, as naturally seen, is more starting to fill up with people and not seeing so much of a dramatic change over that 5-year period. Hence why it is more of a yellow color than it is blue. Because of it being this dark yellow brown color, we can derive what the information is likely based off the legend. So with it being this darker brown color, it is likely this color here, which reflects the highest color on the yellow bar, which reflects a 15,000 or more amount of people increased over that 5-year period, with at least a 20% to 99% increase of change between that 5-year period. You can get this information breakdown by clicking on it and seeing the information here, which reflects the years we have available for the census tract of 2014, 2017, and 2019. Just from general observation, this is to help you understand where's the new growth happening. As you can see, this region filled up very dramatically over that 5-year period with the most recent satellite imagery we have available. And you can see where the new growth is happening on the western region of Houston. You can also see in the lighter blue region, which is likely just the 100% color here, but because there's not a large number of people moving in, which is why it is more of a lighter blue color than it is a darker blue color, that there's young growth here. You can see that there's new neighborhoods being put in this region here, as well as here, and two new neighborhoods being put in here. So with this layer, you get a better understanding of where the growth is actually happening and likely where that aggregate will be needed.